How to make a quick lecture video. Are you planning to make your first lecture video but unaware to give your video a professional look? Don't worry, we are here to help you. Just follow simple instructions to make the best lecture video. 1. Sufficient use of light. Lighting makes a massive difference in the quality of a video. Always ensure to have maximum lighting before capturing your lectures. Otherwise, with lesser light, your video will look substandard even if you have excellent teaching skills. 2. Clear and optimized audio quality. Like professional video quality, audio quality is equally important, which is easily achievable with the use of a decent microphone. While recording, keep microphone as close as possible. Microphones sometimes pick up background noise. Eliminate any such unwanted sounds by recording in a quieter room. Use your phone the right way. If you don't have DSLRs cameras, you can use your mobile phone for capturing high-quality videos. Make sure to record video in landscape orientation. This makes video look elegant even on bigger screens. Always use mobile back camera for recording. Front camera quality is not as good on most of the phones. If possible, use a tripod to place phone for recording, and if you don't have a tripod, you may choose some sturdy place to fix your phone before recording. Mobile uses more MBS, whereas platform allows video length up to 300 MBS. Therefore, for longer videos, use editing software to increase video duration. Finally, before posting, carefully review your video. Good luck with your first lecture recording. For any queries, write to us at info@letsfind.pk.